show you to a simple and functional transformation of a 5-room BTO.
My name is Muhammad Haris and this is my wife Fazila. I'm the homeowners of this 5-room BTO flat. Our theme is a modern concept and our inspiration of the home that we wanted it to be bright and lively. So we choose on the greenish type of colors, whereby where we can see that it's bright colors and then very lively colors. We come across our renovating company through Renopedia. Okay, the name of the company is Chapter 13, whereby we engage an ID with the name of Steven Mark. I can tell you that we are very happy because with all his concept, his ideas, it's really go with our ideas that we're going to do for the house. I'm very excited to see that whatever that we promised us and whatever that the design that we wanted is all in here. Thank you for watching.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.